You know, it was interesting because our members had an idea a minute, which was all good. And we listened. I listened, the whole staff listened, the board certainly listened. But to have anything reach the level of starting a McFIP or an AIDS fund or the Environmental Collaborative, it usually came from one person who had an idea. What I would say to them, I'd listen, and I could fairly well tell if it would fly with our board. I had a couple of failures, but that's another subject. In terms of how we proceeded, I would ask the person to put their request in writing. This was, in many cases, before computers, so they would put that in writing, and we would gather support, take it to a board committee, take it to the board, but we operated quickly. There were not a lot of hoops to go through, and again, people called each other. We had frequent meetings where they explored ideas, and so it was really quite effective. I think of Michigan Campus Compact. John Marshall, who was then the VP at the Kresge Foundation, had seen that idea work well in the East and wanted to bring the program to Michigan. Well, rather than immediately starting another nonprofit, he brought it to CMF. And once again, our funders, our members, there were schools and colleges throughout the state. They were very interested. They were interested in philanthropy and volunteerism and how to build a service ethic. So it all tied into this general theme of enhancing our state, enhancing philanthropy.